In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Rank Math to Google Search Console. Connecting these two gives you clear SEO insights right inside your WordPress dashboard, so you can monitor impressions, clicks, and indexing without bouncing between tabs. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is set up correctly. Start by confirming that Rank Math's analytics module is enabled. In your WordPress dashboard, open Rank Math SEO and go to the dashboard screen. Look for the analytics card. If it says Activate, click it. If it already shows as active, you're good to go. This module is what pulls your Search Console data into Rank Math, so it has to be on before anything else will work. If you don't see the option, make sure you're logged in with an account that can manage Rank Math settings on your site. Next, head to Rank Math SEO, then General Settings, and open the Analytics section. You'll see a button labeled something like Connect Google Services or Connect Your Rank Math Account. Click that, and a pop-up will appear asking you to sign in with your Google account. Use the same Google account that owns or manages your site in Google Search Console. If you juggle multiple sites or clients, double-check you're choosing the right account here to avoid linking the wrong data. Google will present a permissions screen. Allow the requested permissions so Rank Math can read your Search Console data. These permissions let Rank Math fetch reporting information for your website. It doesn't change your site or your Google settings, and you can revoke access later if needed. After you connect, you'll land back on the Analytics Settings page and see a Search Console section. Open the Site dropdown and choose the property that matches your website. Pick the exact site you want Rank Math to report on. If you don't see your site listed, give it a moment to populate, and make sure that site exists in Search Console for the Google account you just connected. When you're confident the correct site is selected, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. That's it. Rank Math is now connected to Google Search Console. Your data will begin syncing, and depending on your site size and history, it may take a little time before the reports fully populate. From here, you can review your search performance directly in Rank Math's analytics area and use those insights to guide your SEO decisions.